Cause see how it's like there?
Yeah, I've seen those. Whenever you pull them out of a car that's never been touched, they're always just rust. Yeah, which would be rust.
So I got this cool one.
Ooh, Wick's opening a new toy. Hold on. Damn, he pulled that knife out like.
Yeah, dog.
Give me your wallet. If he pulled that and asked for my wallet, he'd get a bunch of maxed out credit cards and about $4. Did I say it's made in the USA?
Made in USA.
USA!
Yeah, this thing's pretty cool.
We like made in USA.
So you just put your media in here. Dump it right in that little hopper there. You attach this to your air hose, and of course it would cost 29 cents to put a fitting in there, so they didn't give us that, but we do have our own fittings. And then you just go, and it's very low production, but I think it's also pretty low dust.
Which is good. I have some experience with that dustless blasting, quote unquote.
It's a misnomer.
Yeah, it might be dustless, but it's more like mud blasting.
Oh, with water?
Because it uses water.
Yeah.
And yeah, that shit sucks. I think if everybody goes, they can Google it back from my Mustang Medic days with the dustless blasting, and you'll see how it works. But I wasn't a fan. But I mean, it got shit done. It was just, what a damn mess.
Yeah, you're just trading one mess for another.
Yeah, exactly. And
we have our own series of air fittings here, so we don't have to be bummed that we could never use this thing. It's raining today, but this actually might be a good day to do it. What do you think?
it's always a good day to do. It's always a good day to play with new toys. Come on.
Seriously.
Oh, and in case anybody hasn't noticed, Wick did some shop Tetris during the past week or so, and he brought something fun that we're just going to keep top secret.
Secret for another day.
Yeah. But it's fun. Wick says it's fun.
It's a blast.
He says it wears your ass out, though, at the track, but
It does do that.
he says that the ass likes to be in front, which is
It does.
kind of the way I like my cars. I like it oversteer city.
This is actually pretty impressive for a plastic hunk of shit. I mean,
I'm quoting you on that plastic hunk of shit.
It is all plastic, but I mean, yeah, it's kind of cool. They got this little hopper on-off switch, so you can, I guess, feed how much media you want coming through there.
Oh yeah, look, it says media flow.
Got this nice little plastic trigger on it. It's super lightweight. I mean, this thing probably weighs like an ounce. I think the heaviest part is this actual ceramic tip. But that's pretty cool. I'm anxious to try this thing. What's the warning say? Some dust created by power, sanding, sawing, grinding, drilling, and other construction activities contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer, birth defects, or other reproductive harm.
Well,
it's good to know.
I don't think Wick's getting pregnant, so I can't get pregnant.
And the other warning says shooting compressed air through gun without nozzle in place may eject steel insert. Well, I guess you wouldn't want to stand in front of that. Why would you operate the gun without the nozzle on it? They have to put warnings on there for stupid people.
Yeah, it's for dumb people.
Which actually, really, they shouldn't put the warnings on there. They should just let the stupid people, whatever happens to them, then there's less stupid people. Oh, there's all kinds of warnings on here, too.
Oh, wow. Basically, in December, gift wrap your member. Wick has, have you ever heard that one?
No.
Oh, see? Wick learned something new.
Let's just try it around and see what it does.
Ooh,
Man, I like that.
kind of reminds me of like an airsoft rifle.
That's cool.
Or an air rifle or something. Blowgun.
So we'll have to check that out later. Actually, it'd be perfect for taking this paint off of this thing.
Yeah, I thought you were pointing at my bracket I painted last week. I'm like, I'm like, I just painted that. Don't fuck that up.
Not that.
I'm like, leave that alone. It's fine. All right. Who made that?
Zendex.
Zendex Speed Blaster.
Out of Danbury, Connecticut.
Out of Danbury, Connecticut.
And it was proudly made in the USA.
Oh.
Pretty cool.
At least it ain't made in China.
Nice job, Zendex. We're impressed.
Yeah, we'll see how it works later.
We'll see how it works. Oh, I see. You'd have to use a different box if you put the fitting on it.
Oh, lordy. Damn, Wick.
That's pretty cool.
That's working.
Oops.
Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus.
Wait.